the overall IT spending, 0.4% growth in US dollar terms. It looking flat, it's looking like things are coming down. But partially that is the US dollar causing us problem. 2.3% growth in constant currency. So there is some growth around the world, but the US dollar's rise is kind of masking that. Next year we get a bit more of a bounce back, and we're at the 3.6% range going forward. So there's still some uncertainty that's causing people to keep their hands in their pockets. But mostly it's about where the changes in IT spending are happening that is really interesting in the forecast.
And enterprise software remaining fairly hot?
Enterprise software is remaining hot, and it's sort of at the center of one of the big dilemmas that CIOs are facing. You know, they're being asked to continue to be a traditional business and help shift the company to being a digital business, to find their new, what Gartner's calling, tequilibrium point. So software is at 10.7%, but cloud software is at 18.3%. IT services, 5.8% growth. Cloud IT services growth, 26.3% growth. So you can see we have the balance of the traditional business still needing to be done, but the shift to the digital business driving everything, and companies getting on that new, where's my tequilibrium point? How digital do I need to be the best at my job?
I want to put that pie chart back up because, John, it is 5:40 on the East Coast in the morning. Got pie charts, for goodness sake. It's like people are like rubbing their eyes. So 10.9% jump in enterprise software. Enterprise software, John, is one of those terms that we hear. It's sort of a macro thing. It's like a major universe. What inside of enterprise software looks the best? What kinds of companies specifically are we talking about?
Well, enterprise software is really the core transactional software stuff. Your ERP, your CRM, your supply chain, everything to do with running the business regardless of what it is. That's at the heart of the enterprise software space. And within there, everything that is about getting your business out of your four walls and moving more towards digital is what's getting hot. So even things like general ledger, human capital management, supply chain management, and of course, everything to do with the customer is blisteringly hot in this area.
What looks blisteringly cold? What's just absolutely been just frigid?
Well, everything that is frigid is stuff that is still around the licensed software market. Even though there is still some growth in there, the fact that we're not seeing a lot of new license being renewed, not a lot of net new sales in the license area, means that people are holding on to what they have, but they're not investing in it new. So from a recurring spending point of view, companies that are still spending licensed software, still doing reasonably well, but not getting that kick to new spending. More interestingly, we're also seeing these guys getting out of the building with the licensed software, going to co-locations, going to outsourcing, getting it into the cloud, doing what they call lift and shift to get it out of their data center and run by cloud vendors.